We have found the moment of inertia about the axis of the annular disk as 1 by 2 m r square plus r square. From this, we can check the case if r equal to 0. If r equal to 0, then in that case, it becomes the disk and we have to find the moment of inertia. If we put here, then I axis will be equal to 1 by 2 r square plus 0, that is equal to half mr square, and that is the case of circular disk, and it matches the result which we have already found. Similarly, special case 2, if r equal to capital R, in that case this changes into the shape of a ring and I axis will become 1 by 2 m r square plus r square, that is equal to mr square. That is the result match with the circular disk, circular ring, which we have already found. Now suppose we take the case of semi-circular disk of mass m and radius r. This is the semicircular disk which has mass m and mass is distributed on the half circle and its radius is capital R and m is the mass. It is solved logically, means we consider a whole disk, then this disk will be of radius r, but now mass will be, because half semi-circular disk has mass m, then whole circle will contain, circular disk will contain the mass 2m. For this semicircular disk, if we find the moment of inertia about axis, this is equal to, that means Iz, it is equal to, if we suppose this is the center and this is x-axis, this is y-axis and z-axis about perpendicular to the plane of this paper and passing through center. So I-axis is the center axis through the center perpendicular to the plane. This we represent by Iz, and we have found for semicircular disk, for the circular disk, it is half mr square, because here mass is 2m, so we have to use in this formula that not the mass m but it is 2m, so it is half 2m r square, that is equal to mr square. Similarly, if I have to find I diameter, so I diameter equal to Ix equal to Iy, because of the symmetric distribution about x and y axis, this will be equal to, we have found it is 1 by 4 mr square, and this formula we will use 1 by 4 2m into r square, because mass of this disk is 2m, so it will give 1 by 2 m r square. Now for the semicircular disk of mass m and radius r, that means if this disk is halved, or we take the one part of it, that means remaining part is similar to this. Half of this disk will the same of this. So that means moment of inertia about the axis of semicircular disk will be half of the whole disk. That means it is 1 by 2 mr square. And similarly, moment of inertia about the diameter of the disk, semicircular disk, about the diameter is half of this full circular disk. That means it will be 1 by 4 mr square. So this result we have to remember, and this is helpful to solve many problems. Next we will take to find the moment of inertia of a rod about the perpendicular bisector.